Ari mieri mugwanja kuuma riria aiyukirie utongoria ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri giki kironekana gukorwo ari kio kibarua giake kia mbere kiritu makiria. Susan Nakhumicha akinyetherwa ni Nditi ya gutheria ruhonge rwa wendia wa dawa KeMSA. Ciuria cikonainie na ngukumio ya ciringi bilioni 3.7 thuguriini ya neti cia kugitira mwingi kuuma murimu wa malaria gatagati ga KeMSA na ruhonge rwa Global Fund igithie na mbere kwiyumiria. Nakhumicha niataririe makinya maria we akinyukirie riria ndeto ino yaubukire kiumia kihituku.
I think Kenyans need to know that last week on Thursday, immediately after the release of that report, I did write to EACC and asked them to come and investigate.
Nakhumicha augite niandikiirie marua kamiti ya EACC niguo yambike uthuthuria ndeto ino na kuringana nake marua maya matiakinyire kamiti ino gugikinya muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia giki.
And when I was speaking to Twalib on Monday on WhatsApp, asking him whether he has received my letter, he said he hadn't. And that is how corruption fights back in this country. That when I wrote a letter on Thursday, EACC is only a few meters from my office. By Monday, the letter had not arrived. But thankfully, Twalib confirmed to me and said, Madam CS, you don't have to worry. I have already released my officers. And they're already at KeMSA doing their work. That is how determined I am.
Terry Ramadhani atigithirio wira ta murugamiriri munene wa KeMSA menoria urale muikarire gite bodi-ini no Daniel Rono amwe na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Dr. Josephine Buro. Nakhumicha riu akihithuria Ramadhani no koretwo ari muhinga munene hari ukinyaniria wa motungata kuhitukira mitambo ya kiriu ruhonge-ini rwa KeMSA.
I am big on that. There is no option about it. My ministry is going to digitize and digitalize. And happy that even the president is committed on the journey of digitization. Already you must be aware that the Ministry of ICT is deploying it's called what? A digital superhighway, so that we can all plug in.
Dr. Andrew Mutava Mulwa niwe uramurirwo ni president ta murugamiriri munene irogonya kera ta muikarire gite bodi-ini ya KeMSA. Nakhumicha akionania mwihoko wa gukinyanira kwa mogaruruku maria mafataire ruhonge-ini rwa KeMSA.
So I am deliberate on my choices in terms of who then assists me in ensuring that KeMSA does what it's supposed to do. There are people in this country who are hell-bent to enrich themselves on the backs of patient money. Very shameful. On donor money. That you cannot assist yourself, you are assisted, but there are people who have grouped themselves to benefit from these monies. I am not going to allow it to happen.
Niguo ngukumio no yubuke ruhonge rwa Global Fund rwakajire thuguriini no thutha wa gwikirira nganja kambuni imwe iria yakuruhanitio hamwe na mutaratara uria watumikire. Ngiribotera KeMSA TV ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.